In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a business account on PayPal. The first thing to do is to go to Google web browser and type PayPal here. Click sign up and you have to answer the following here to create a PayPal business account. Here you need to click the second one, business account, and then after that click next. Now you have to type your email address here and also create the password for your business account. Check this one and then click continue. So the next is for you to answer the following information here. This is just basic and you need to be very honest with your answers here because PayPal is serious with your information. And of course, your information is 100% secured. Then click agree and create account. Now here you have to type this individual since you don't have any license or whatsoever. And then here you need to type your product or services and then your country below. And after that, your PayPal credit name or credit card statement name. And then once done, you have to click continue. So next is your personal information, and then you can also click the following here if you're using the same email address, name, or same phone number. And just check the box, and then after that, proceed to the next by clicking submit. Okay, so once you submitted all your information, you need to answer the security prompt in order for them to know that you're 100% human. And then here it is. This is what PayPal business account looks like. So here you can see your PayPal balance, home activity, pay and get paid, marketing for growth, financing, business tools, and quick links, PayPal checkout, create an invoice. Actually, there are lots of features here that you can explore in order for you to be mastered with the PayPal business account. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.